Well, I started about 20 years ago working for another architecture firm that had a specialty in design of cruise terminals that got into the first wave in the end of the 90s when the first big ships came in the market. And so through that, I developed a passion for design of cruise terminals, and I think it's one of the coolest things that architects can do. It's an industry of happy people. You know, I mean, it's the tourism. Who doesn't want to be in vacations, right? We all want to travel and build memories with our families or friends. And so it's quite unique in that sense. It's a very positive, forward-looking towards the future and building happy memories. So it's a privilege to be involved in the design of that experience. Well, I guess passion is something that you either have or you don't, right? And so we bring our personality in what we do. As an architect and as a designer, I'm a very passionate man, and I want to do things the right way. And one of the best things is when a client comes back in the cruise industry, in a port or one of the cruise lines, and to see them with this big smile when we open a cruise terminal and everybody's happy and the building performs as it should. This is one of the most rewarding things. So I want to keep on doing that, certainly. We are all very busy these days, right? Running our companies, whatever we do. And so we seldomly have opportunities to meet. And I think these are perfect forums, which we can program throughout the year to see our peers, to network, to meet new clients, or actually to have a face-to-face with our clients, you know, because Skype has a limit. So these are really the forums where we, you know, regularly come together and renew our relationships, which is fantastic. As an architect, no, we are always processing culture, right? Any project that we do around the world involves filtering the local culture, and sometimes it is very funny because we are working in Japan or in China, in South America, and we don't get it, right? And so we make assumptions based on how we are, that they are like that. But the funny thing is when we realize we get it wrong and we have to adapt. But it's, in a way, it's enriching as well. Do not do it. Let me do it for you. No. Listen, the first condition is that you have to be very passionate for what you do. And people in this industry are very smart. They'll know how to read you right away. So you have to come open-minded, willing to put the effort, and very passionate with what you do, and that will slowly open doors, and it's going to be slowly, but you have to gain people's respect and trust, and that can only be done through delivering consistently over time.